Let's make Japanese Tamagoyaki today. Tamagoyaki is an amazing recipe from Japan which is authentically made with eggs, but I have vegetarianized it by making it eggless. But if you guys are non-vegetarians or at least do eggs, you can surely go ahead and use eggs for this recipe. Hi guys, welcome back to Dash of Delight. I am Soumya. Start by chopping half onion, bell pepper or capsicum and carrot in a manual chopper and keep it aside. Then in a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour or besan and 1 tablespoon of yogurt or curd. Then add all the chopped veggies we just chopped in the manual chopper. If you don't have manual chopper, you can also grate the veggies or even finely chop with knife, not a problem. Add some water and make a thick batter. Once the batter is nicely mixed, add a pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, salt as per your taste, a pinch of black salt followed by chaat masala. Mix everything together, then in the end, add a pinch of Eno fruit salt. Now the Eno fruit salt must be literally a pinch only guys, as we don't want the batter to turn too fluffy. So see, my batter is all ready now. Now grease a pan or a tawa with some oil and pour a ladleful or 2 tablespoons of batter. Spread it evenly. You can also slightly tilt the pan in order to spread it easily. See, like this. Let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes on low to medium heat, and when it's dried from the top and leaves the pan, see how nicely it has left the pan. So at this stage, start rolling it from one side all the way to the other. Just be careful while rolling guys, else you might end up cracking or breaking it. Once you roll it, shift it to the other side of the pan and grease the remaining part of the pan again and pour the batter. Then spread the batter evenly on the pan. Make sure it touches the lower part of the rolled wrap. See, like this. Then again wait for 4 to 5 minutes until the upper part dries completely, and then start rolling the former wrap further, joining the latter or the new one. And again we are going to repeat the same process once more. So guys, do you know traditionally this tamagoyaki recipe is made on a rectangular pan. But since rectangular pans are not very common, I also didn't have one. So I am making on my round one only. Also, I have given it an Indian twist by adding few Indian spices for that extra flavor. But you can absolutely go ahead and add whatever spices or veggies you like, not a problem at all. And see guys, our eggless vegetarian tamagoyaki is absolutely ready. Now place it on a countertop or any flat surface and cut pieces out of it. You can serve it with any sauce or dressing of your choice or have just like that. For my Indian cuisine fans, I have a tip for you. You can add a tempering or a tadka of rye, curry leaves, green chilies and cilantro from top for that extra touch up and serve it hot. But for me, it's perfect just like that. So guys, if you like the recipe, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before leaving. I'll see you next time. Bye.